Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Thursday, July 10th. Here are today's top headlines. MP Materials has formed a major public-private partnership with the U.S. Department of Defense to rapidly expand a domestic rare earth magnet supply chain and reduce reliance on foreign sources. Backed by multibillion-dollar Department of Defense support, the company will build a second U.S. magnet manufacturing facility and enhance heavy rare earth separation at its Mountain Pass site, with commissioning of the new plant expected in 2028. UbiQD has entered a multi-year exclusive agreement to supply its fluorescent quantum dot technology to First Solar for integration into thin-film bifacial solar panels, building on a successful 2023 collaboration. The deal supports expanded research and development and positions UbiQD to scale production significantly as the demand for power grows, amid rising needs from data centers and manufacturing. Pony AI has begun mass production and road testing of its 7th-generation robotaxi, marking a major step toward its goal of deploying 1,000 autonomous vehicles by the end of 2025. The Gen 7 system introduces key innovations, including full use of automotive-grade components, a 70% reduction in autonomous kit costs, and a flexible design for integration across multiple vehicle models. FuelCell Energy and Inuverse have signed a memorandum of understanding to explore deploying up to 100 megawatts of fuel cell power at Korea's largest data center beginning in 2027. The center will leverage FuelCell Energy's technology for efficient energy use, including absorption chilling and waste heat recovery, to lower operational costs and enhance performance.
Thanks for watching Green Stock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Green Stock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.